In this lecture, we are going to set up the Rankmath SEO plugin, which is a free SEO plugin, so that we can optimize our website for the on-page SEO. To get the plugin, what we have to do is just go to plugins and click on add new to access the Rankmath plugin, and here you have to search for Rankmath and you will get the plugin. So here you go, Rankmath SEO, and with 1 million plus installations and 5,000 plus reviews, amazing plugin. And just click on install now, and the plugin would be installed. And after the plugin is installed, click on activate to activate this plugin. It would take a few seconds to get activated, and here you go. And now what you have to do is when you will connect your free account, you get keyword suggestions directly from Google when entering the focus keywords. Not only that, get access to our their revolutionary SEO analyzer inside WordPress that scans your website for SEO errors and suggestions. So just click on connect your account, and okay, activate now. And here we are on the Rankmath quick setup, and here you can see our website is compatible with Rankmath, and now we can just set it up. And first of all, here you have two options, easy and advanced. You have to select one of them. I'll select advanced and click on start wizard. And then here you have to select if your website is a personal blog, community blog, news site, personal portfolio, or any kind of thing. R1 is a personal blog, so I'll select this one. Then your website name if you want to change it, and then if you want to add any alternate name, then person or organization name. So here I'll also add affiliate website. Then logo for Google. Logo for Google is minimum size in 112 by 112 pixels, 112 into 112 pixels, and also it should be square in square. So to upload that, just click on add, and from here you can just add your logo. So my logo was here, not here, but yep, this one. So this logo getting uploaded. Click on use this file, and here you go, the logo got uploaded. Then the default social image, if you want to change this one, the recommended size is if you want to add this one, the recommended size is 1200 by 630 pixels. So you can also add a picture which has this size, because recommended one is the best one. Then just click on save and continue, and now it's time to connect the Google services. So just click on connect Google services, and from here you have to select Google account to connect the Google services on which you are just managing your website. So I'll select this one, khadeendemo@gmail.com, and then you can give the permissions, and then just click on continue. So here you go. Now from here, search console, you have to select a website. I'll select a website, and then from here in analytics, you have to select the website, then select the property, and then the data stream. It's automatically done because we have already created the analytics account. So then if you want to click on if you want to install the analytics code, you can select this one as well, and the AdSense option is with the pro version. And then the email reports, I'll enable it as well. Then click on save and continue. Now, if you want to enable sitemaps, yes, we want to enable the sitemaps. Include images, yes, we want to include images. Then public post types, just select post and pages. If there's anything else, just leave it as it is. And then the public taxonomies categories are should be the public taxonomies, and then go to next. And here, first of all, no index, empty category, and a tag archives. Enable this one. No follow external links. I'll enable this one, and then open external links in new tab. I'll just enable this one, then click on save and continue, and here you go. And now we will click on advanced options to see the advanced options. And here you can select this is the role manager. Basically, if because in future you will have to hire the editors and writers as well, because you cannot manage all the blogs by yourself, so you will need this feature. So with the administrator, you have all these accesses, but if you have added an editor to your website from users, what access do you want to give to that editor? So by default, these edits these accesses are good to go. But if you want to change these accesses, if you want to change the role access, then you can just change these things. Okay, and then just click on save and continue. Then the 404 monitor, you can enable this one to get updates regarding 404 errors, and also enable the redirections to avoid those 404 errors, and then click on save and continue. Then here you have schema markup, schema types, schema type. From here you have to select a schema type. It should be article. It can be article, product, video, service, or person. Let's say it is an article. From here, just select the blog post, and from here again schema type of pages. It's article, and select is as article, and click on save and continue. And here you go. So our website is good to go now, and our SEO is good to go now. First of all, let's just go to analytics. So here on this dashboard, all your analytics would appear, like overall optimization, your search impressions, total keywords. You have site analytics, and then you have this SEO performance, keywords, rank tracker, index status, etc., etc. And these metrics would populate when you will start getting traffic, and you will start ranking. And then you have general settings, and in general settings, strip category base, if you want to remove category from category archive URL. And then you have breadcrumbs. If you want to enable the breadcrumbs, you can enable the breadcrumbs as well. Like you see some arrows on the top of a blog post. You can enable or disable breadcrumbs. Then you can add separator to it. These settings are breadcrumbs are basically for bigger websites, but for a micro niche website, I don't think it's worth. And then you have some other settings like edit robots.txt, then headless CMS support, show SEO score to visitors. If you want to show your SEO score to visitors as well, then you have analytics, and analytics it automatically connected. And then you have also the content AI. So what should be the default country, and select the post use for content AI, and then you can just save the changes. Content AI is with the basically the pro version, with which you can just get a lot. You can easily create stuff. You can easily create pages and posts. Then you have here the titles and meta. Here robot meta and all these things. Basically these settings are for SEO pros, and everything is set and up with the wizard, and everything by default is good to go, because all the settings are by default done by the experts. So I think playing around with it would not be the worthy thing. But yes, you can just change the titles from here. You can just change these kind of things, how your post appear on the Google search. You can just show how your title should appear. You want to capitalize the titles or not. Then open graph thumbnail, if you want to add any open graph thumbnail to the images, you can add a thumbnail to the images. And then you, for pages and post, you have how your pages should appear, how the post should appear. Like here you can see now your single post appear like this one. First of all, the post title, then separator, and then website name. If you want to add a counter as well, you can add a counter, search query. Then you have current month or current year. You can add a current year here. And here if you want to add a separator, let's say I want to add a separator character, so I'll add a separator character here, and I'll just remove this one, current year, and here I'll add the current year. Okay, so here you can see policy affiliate website 2022. This is what your what would be displayed on the Google search. And then here you have a lot other settings, so you can just play around with these settings as well. um, Then you can from authors you can enable or disable author archives as well. I would recommend to disable that one, but if you have multiple authors then you can enable it. And here in MISC pages, miscellaneous pages, you have date archives. Just disable those archives, and also disable the author archives, because it's not like it makes things messed up when you don't have enough authors and you have the empty pages. And I just want your website to be clean enough. Then here's your home page. For home page you can set the meta description if you want to add. Then homepage title for Facebook, when it is when your post is when your homepage is shared on Facebook, how it should be displayed, and then what should be the Facebook thumbnail when your website is shared. Then you have categories and tags. If you want to display these categories and tags, you can display it. It is no index by default. It is no index by default as well. And I think this is good to go. And after that, just click on Save Changes. Then you have this sitemap settings. And here in sitemap settings, I think everything is good, and you don't need to play around with it. And then instant indexing. So if you want to ping the URL to multiple sites, you can find a ping list on Google, and you can just ping the your blog post to get it indexed early. And you can just ping and submit the URL. Then you have this role manager that we checked recently. And then after the role management, you have this redirection. And here you can add redirects to your website if you want. Like, let's say if you want to redirect any link to any other link, like first of all you will have to add source link. Like, let's say I'll add youtube.com/c/grow with Khadeen, and ignore case, and your destination URL. Basically this is this one, 301 permanent mode, move and activate status should be activate. So here you have to add the destination URL. And here you can add URL exact or contains. Let's say contains grow with Khadeen, and here you can just make it happen. Okay, so here is this one. So when I'll just click on view, so affiliate.khadeenakbar.com/grow with Khadeen. So when someone will go there /grow with Khadeen, they will just directly go to the link I added, which is my YouTube channel. So here you can see I just directly went to my YouTube channel. So you can add the redirects to your website. And then you have this SEO analysis, and here you can start site-wide analysis of your website. And you will have the complete analysis, website analysis. Here you have to set up the home H1s, and blog public. A blog is not public because its indexation is turned off. And to do that you just have to go to settings and ratings, and from here I just disabled it, if you remember. So you have to enable it after you have added a blog post, after you have set it up each and everything. And then we'll just go back. I was just to tell you that how deeply this plugin analyze each and everything, and you are getting a lot of the features for free. Then you have H1 heading errors, and then focus keywords are not there, and all the things here. Open Graph Meta is missing, then Minify CSS is missing, Minify JavaScript is missing. So all that stuff would be covered. And then status and tools. And here in status and tools you have a lot important things that you can work on. First of all, if the update of the Rankmath SEO is not good, so what you can do is you can roll back to the previous version, and you can install the previous version. You can also opt into the beta tester, and you have some auto update and email notification kind of thing, so you can use these features. Then you have data based tools in which you can just flush all the SEO analysis data. You you can remove the rank math transients, clear cache, and then you can also rebuild the index, and also you can create the recreate the missing tables, and you have a lot other things. You can also recalculate the SEO scores and delete redirection rules if you got any error, and delete internal links data as well. Then you have system status settings, and here in system status settings you have all the settings of the status and databases, etc. And you also have the complete error log here, and you can just access all the errors from this error log. And then here the most important part is import and export. And basically, if you are using a SEO plugin before Rankmath on your website, then what would happen is this tool would help you to import all that data from Yoast SEO or AIO SEO or any other plugin. Basically, you can easily import this stuff from this setup wizard. You will get an import option, but I didn't got that option because I didn't had that SEO plugin. But when I just added this SEO plugin, now here you can see I have an option that I can just import all these settings. Import settings, import post meta, term meta, then author meta, and then redirections, blocks, locations, news settings, video sitemap settings, and also the SEO scores. So if you want to import it or clean it, you can do the both. And you have also settings for AIO SEO, but we want to do it for the Yoast SEO. So I'll just click on import, and it would import the complete data for us. And here you can see the complete log is running, and it would import the complete data for us. But I don't have configured Yoast SEO, so it was just for demo purpose. If you want to import that data, you can just import using this method. And if you don't like the advanced mode, what you can do is you can easily switch to easy mode as well. So it would be easy for you to configure the things and configure the stuff, because you will have less options, and you will have like easy to manage kind of thing. And the options would not be complex. Options would be easy, and you can easily use a Rankmath SEO plugin. So that was all about setting up this plugin, and that was all about the setup wizard. See you in next lecture. In this lecture we will be talking about Rankmath Pro version, how you can get it, what are the options, and why you should get it. So just click on this buy button here on Rankmath, and here you go. Right now the sale is going on, and you will get the pro version for only for 59 bucks, business for 199, and agency for 499. And this is the per year, this is for the per year plan. And here you can see with the pro version you will get unlimited personal websites, and here you will get 200 clients website, and here you will get 750 plus client websites. Website differs, but here you have 25 content AI credits. Content AI is basically an extension, a software by Rankmath, which would help you to just make your content more awesome, and make your content easy to rank on Google, and make your content SEO friendly. And it's really amazing tool for the content creators. And here with this one you have 200, and with this one you have 750 free credits. Then with the pro version you can track 1,000 keywords within your website for performance. Then within the business version you can track 20,000. Within the agency version you can track 75,000. Otherwise everything is at the same, but except the renewal price, and renewal price is same as the purchase price. And to get that you just have to click on buy. Click on buy, and you will be able to buy that specific plugin. You have to enter your card details, etc., and click on pay, and you will be able to buy that. I already have the Rankmath Pro version, this one. So what I'll do is I'll just install this one or download this one, and I'll go to downloads, and here I'll just save it. It's getting downloaded. I'll go back to my website, click on add new, click upload, select choose files, In downloads, I'll select this one, and here I'll click on install now. Within a few seconds it would get installed because it's not a really big plugin. So here you go, the plugin got installed, and now I'll just click on activate and the plugin would be activated. Here you go, the plugin got activated, and Rankmath is importing the latest data from connected Google services. 16 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. So we'll just go to the Rankmath, go to its dashboard. You can see the plugin has been imported, and now we have the Rankmath Pro version. So 6 minutes left. Till the data will be fetched, and here we are on the main dashboard, and here we will be exploring some features which come with the pro version. First of all, here we have the analytics, which we had with the free version, but there are the analytics is more customized now, and we have more options with the analytics with the pro version. What options do we have? I will go to settings, and here you will see that we have now this anonymize a IP address if we want, and then self-hosted analytics JS file, then exclude login users. Then also we can just connect the Google. Uh, we can connect our Google AdSense account, but to do that we'll have to reconnect it. So I'll just reconnect it again. So now we can just set up let's just set up the analytics now. And from here we can just select these things. Then we can also select our AdSense account, but we don't have any AdSense account. Then you have this front end stats bar. Enable this option to show analytics stats on front just after the admin bar. And then you have the email reports, and here you can track the keywords, and the report will be sent to your email. Okay. And then you have this content AI, and now you will have 30 credits. Let's just go to dashboard and tell you about that as well. So we'll just go to the content AI, and here you can see you have now 30 credits for content AI. So you can use those 30 credits for to utilize content AI to make your blog post more interactive and make it more useful. Again, we'll go to dashboard, and another feature by the pro version is this one, news sitemap. So if you want to enable this news sitemap, you can also enable this one. News sitemap will is for basically the news related content, so you can add this one to your website. Then here you will your news publication name, I'll say affiliate store, but you'll have to add your one. Then what is included in that? Only post, and I'll just click on save changes, and that's all. And then from here you will have to exclude the thing. So I'll just exclude categorized post terms, and I'll just click on save changes. And again I'll go to dashboard. So then after that we have this podcast. So you can add the podcast to your website, make your podcast discoverable via Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and similar services. So if you have a podcast, you can use this one to add podcast to your website. Then you have this video sitemap. If you are going to add the videos so you can just add your stuff to the video search. And first of all you will have to select video post type. Right now we have post and pages, but if you are using videos as well, any video plugin or kind of thing in your website, then you can add it. But right now I'll select post only, and I'll click on save changes, so your blog post would also be added in the videos. And then again we'll come back, and here you have a lot other options with the pro version. and in structured data you have more structured data options, and here you will have more options, like more types, schema types, and you can select more schema types. And then you have the options for image SEO. Let's just go to the images. Where is images? Where is images? I think in general settings. So I'll just go to general settings. No, and not in general settings, but I think images option is missing, and yep, it's automatic. I think we got an update, and after that, it's automatic. So now there are some other options. There are some other features like keyword tracking and content credits. Now, right now, we are not going to cover that because we will be covering that in the tracking section and content creation section, where we'll be using Rankmath to make our content more interactive so that it can rank easily. There are more chances for the content to rank and make content SEO friendly using Rankmath. So in content creation section, we'll be covering all that. That was all about this lecture. See you next lecture.